Now, after running the flow simulation, we can determine the pressure or on top of the car as well as the pressure on the bottom of the car, and we can calculate the downforce based on this pressure. So to do this, make sure that the result is loaded. Like for instance, it has like this. So if you right click the result, there is, you see, if it is not loaded, it say not loaded. So we have to load the result. So load the result. So upon loading the result, okay, we can see whether the plot trajectory is still there. Okay, it's really, so we have to show. All right. Okay, we can edit this if we want. We can edit definition of the plot trajectory. We can change it to spheres. Okay, and then check. So it becomes a sphere. We can also play it. Okay, then you can see that the sphere is moving towards our car. Okay, so that is how the flow of air on our simulation. So we know that the simulation project is already loaded, or the result of the simulation is already loaded. Now we can see the pressure on top of the car and also the pressure beneath the car. So we hide first the plot trajectory. Okay, so after hiding the plot trajectory, we can right click on surface parameter and insert. So from here we have to select pressure, and then we are going to select the top portion of the car. So we have to set it on top view. So whatever we see on top view is the one that is pushing the car downward. So we can select all these spaces, right? No need the side because this is the side of the car. So we just select the top portion that we can see. Okay. So this is our top pressure. Once done, we can show. So it's calculating. Okay, so this is now the pressure on top. So our surface parameter 1 is our top pressure. So our average pressure is 101, 199.18 PA or Pascal. Okay, and the area is 6.59 meter square, right? So we check, and then we select another one on the surface parameters, which will be our bottom of the car. So the same thing, we have to select pressure, and then we go on the bottom of the car. Okay, so on the bottom of the car we are going to select all the bottom. So this area, this area, this area, this area, this area. All right, this side no need because it will be selecting also the side of the car. Okay, so once done, all right, we can select so that it will, all right, so show. So now we have here our parameter 1 and parameter 2 So this is the bottom of the car and this is the top of the car. So our surface area on the bottom is only 5.1 meters square. So the pressure average is 101,197.14 Pascal. So this is our average pressure on the top, but the surface area is bigger. So we have the formula here, how to calculate it, and then from there, we are going to subtract. So the difference between the top pressure and the bottom pressure is your down force. So we check. All right. So that's it on how to get the surface pressure of the car in getting the bottom as well as the top surface of the car.